What's going on, fellow designers? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniel, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you guys real quick some assets and resources that I found on 3D illustrations and icons for your UI design project. So a few days back I was working on a project and I had to make use of 3D illustrations, so I was looking for the packs, even paid or a free one. And I found some 3D assets on Figma that I really loved and I make use of for the project. And in this video I want to share those resources with you as well, so that you too can start using those awesome 3D icons and illustrations for your own project. Alright, so guys, right here on Figma, so I got these illustrations from the Figma community. So one right here is Sally 3D illustrations pack. So you don't really have to worry about the links. I will attach the links to the video description, so do make sure to check that below after you watch this video, and please stay to the end because I'm gonna walk you guys through how you can make use of the resources and get all the assets that you need. So after this we have another one, which is Tech Dig free 3D icons pack. So you get to see a lot of icons that you can use for your projects. So right here we have another one, 3D icon pack for COVID-19, and this is a resources whereby you get 20 plus icon. So another one here is free 3D pack, e-commerce and education. So as it is with this, you're gonna get icons for e-commerce, education and all that, so it might be a use for other type of project as well, so you might make use of these resources. And again, another one here on my list is Airstar free 3D geometric object. So basically this is your 3D object for shapes, so which you might kind of want to make use of for some type of projects and that. So another one right here is the black gold cryptocurrency free 3D icons. So not really for cryptocurrency, we have 50 plus icons to get from these icon packs, and they are all free to use for your project. So as you can see, we have icons here. Basically you can make use of this for your maybe cryptocurrency project or Bitcoin and all that. So I think the last here on my list, which is the one that I really like, that I got a lot of icons for my project. Initially when I first searched for this, it was 700 plus, so but now it has been updated and now they have free 1000 plus 3D illustrations, icons and logos for your UI design project. So quickly, how do you make use of these icons pack and how do you get them into your own project as well? So what you need to do is make sure to check the video description below. So once you've opened each links, so all you have to do is click on the duplicate button right here. So you should give it some time. It's gonna take some time to duplicate and copy your files for your own project. So I already done that for this Sally 3D icon pack, which is the one I have right here. So I have access to it right now on my Figma, and this one, which is the free 1000 plus illustration. So initially it was 300 when I got it, and now it's 700 right here. It's 1000, kind of me. So now that's it. So all you have to do is duplicate. So once you duplicate, then you give it some time, then it's gonna open up like this for you. So for you to now, you can make edits and remove and move and make use of any one of your choice. So right now you have to do is click on the pack, then you are going to see all the icons pack that is here for you. So you just have to zoom in, so you see different types of icons. So you just have to choose the one that suits the needs of your project. You export it and you make use of that for your project as well. So I'm gonna show you that we'll make use of it very quickly. So we're gonna make use of this very quickly. So okay, so right now I created a Figma file right here in my a file for it, a mobile. So I had a title, welcome to 3D Next 2. So and I want to add an illustrator right now. I want to add an illustration icon. So what I would do is, so right now once you duplicate and you've exported, you have access to the file. So all you have to do now is to export the one that suits your needs the most. So let me say this is the icon that I want to make use of. So all you have to do is click on the icon, then you go to export. So when you go to export, you can either export as PNG or SVG. So I'm going to export this icon as PNG. So now I have the icon right here. Then I'll go to my Figma and I'll drag and drop the icon into my Figma file. So okay, so I think I will just have to do that from here. Okay, yeah, so I have that already. So as you can see now, I have the icon on my Figma. So what I can do is resize it to fit my artboard. So alright, so as you can see now, we have a pretty simple design right here, and we make use of a 3D asset. So basically that's how you get to, you know, make use of any 3D icon for your project that you might need for your project. So that's how you get icons, illustrations, and pack. So I will leave the links to this video in the description so that you get the icons of your choice and you can start making use of them right now on your own design project. So guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of this video, and I really hope to see you guys next time. So please, if you have not subscribed for my channel, do so now. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you will be updated when next I drop another awesome content. So until then guys, I love to see you again. Peace.